Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use ChatGPT Chatbot on mobile phone. Why do you want to know how to use ChatGPT Chatbot on mobile phone? Well, maybe you just want to test this AI, right? So today I will show you how to use ChatGPT on mobile phone easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. So yeah, you have to just go to any of the browser, and here you have to just search ChatGPT, okay, and just hit the enter, and after that you will get this OpenAI. So just click on here, and here you will just try ChatGPT and you will be redirected to a new page. Basically it will verify your internet connection, and after that you have to log in. If you have not made your ID, so just sign up, otherwise I will just log in here, right? And as you click on the login, here you have to enter your email address. So let me in. So guys, if you are using a sign up, then you have to verify your email address. Now guys, ChatGPT has been opened in my phone, and basically this is what. So here you can search it, right? For example, I will search here, what is AI, and I will just hit the enter, okay, and it will start writing here. And you can see in this way you can just use how to use ChatGPT Chatbot on your mobile phone. So there you go guys. If you want to know how to use ChatGPT Chatbot on mobile phone, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to use ChatGPT Chatbot on your mobile phone, just leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.